What's up YouTube, Kyle here to bring you guys another video. So it's been a while since I've kind of unboxed anything like shoe related. This is just shoes. I know it was like an impulse purchase, but it was on sale, hence impulse purchase. But yeah, let's just get into the review. So I'm just doing this on my floor because obviously the packaging is pretty dirty. So it's my first time buying shoes from this brand. But yeah, let's just see. It's been popular for like years, this brand. So, show you Puma. Yeah, so I caved in. I wanted to buy Pumas, size 11. So yeah. Just trying to like hold this and there's this thing in packaging. Oh. Yeah, so I was having like difficulty unpackaging it on the floor, so just remove it like this. But this is the box here. Puma. Let's go through the barcode. This is, oh, I know this is hyped by other YouTubers. This type of brand. I mean, this type of shoe. This is the RS line. So this is the Ferrari Race RS-X 3. Puma white, Puma black. Yeah, I caved in on it. It's just because I do not have Yeezy 700s or Yeezy 500s, and I've been wanting the shoe, but I was not like willing to drop the resale price. And I'm just like, yeah, I do like them, but not really down to drop that resale price right now. So yeah, just wanted like a dad type of shoe. But let's get into it. So I found these recently on sale, and then obviously I was using Rakuten, so to cop these, and it was like 7% cash back. So I was just like, pull trigger, you know. But yeah, go through it. It's that wax paper. So this thing. Alright. My first time owning like these like dad looking shoes. They're not as chunky as what I would think they would be, but it's not bad. Like, they're definitely different. This is definitely cool. So, comes in like these like white laces. I don't know if these are actually reflective laces. So, but yeah, has RS-X with the Puma logo on the tongue. These are the silver here. I also don't know if it's also reflective. I would have to check that out. But yeah, but has this nice like fat sole, this fat sole, so I imagine it'd be super comfy. I've seen people like wear this around for people who are into like the dad shoe trend, but not really down to drop money on the Yeezys as well. I'm having that moment. So yeah, so it has the Ferrari logo at the back, so it's pretty hype. So it has black, red, white. I believe this itself might be reflective, but again, I have to check. So there's like mesh panels here, then there's mesh. So I'm imagining some of these portions are leather when I was reading up on it, but it's a pretty cool shoe. Can't wait to try them on. Has this like type of vibe. Like, the issue I would have is just cleaning them, so obviously I don't want them to get dirty. But yeah, like traction wise, we'll see how it looks. Pretty hype. And they're normally like $150 Canadian. And they were going on sale for like $110 or so. $110 or something like that. So I was just like, it's not too much, right? I haven't really bought shoes in a while. Probably like 4 months? 4 months since the last shoe I bought. But yeah. I think these are fire, honestly. Like, it's just something different. Like, everyone's just rocking something different, and then it's just too many dad shoes I'm getting influenced by. Like, especially the Gucci ones, and I'm just like, the Rytons, I like those too. But obviously price is like an issue too, right? So yeah, but I'll come up with an update if anything. If anyone wants an update, comment down. on how I think, how I feel about these shoe wise. Is like, there's definitely one of like, it's hype for that it's Ferrari, but like there's not much, like you can always wait for these to go down on sale. That's literally what I do. I just wait until things go on sale before I bought them. So my first Puma shoe. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I feel about these when I wear them, comfort wise, and whether I feel bad about buying these, but overall, just comment down, and then I'll answer the questions when I see them, if I can, like as soon as possible if I can. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment, rate, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.